This started out as a jelly plate print, and I took it one day and I added color to it and I played with it for a little while, and then it sat on my drawing table for a considerable amount of time afterwards, and today I just felt like playing with it. I'm not sure if it really needed any of this, but it felt like a fun thing to do, so I added ink to it. There was no plan for this. I didn't sketch any thumbnails out to decide what to do. I simply used my imagination and I created textures. That's all there was to it. How do you do this? How do you use your imagination? You just let go of the outcome. It doesn't matter what this piece ended up as. It's just playful and fun, and I enjoyed myself, and today that was the only point in creating.